Welcome to Teachings of Life. This is Rupa, and you are with me in the place to learn skills for the real world. Parental love is the only love that is truly selfless, unconditional, and forgiving. Parents did not leave you when you are young, so don't leave them when they are old. Do you know that a simple phone call can make them happy? Parents are the ultimate role models for children. Every word, movement, and action has an effort. No other person or outside force has a greater influence on a child than the parent. Your parents may not be perfect, but they are the most precious gift God has ever given you. Goodness towards your parents is the greatest duty. Love your life not for yourself but for your parents because they have sacrificed their happy moments only for you. Let's understand it with a very emotional, heart-touching story. Once, a son, after his father's death, decided to leave his mother at old age home and visited her on and off. Once he received a call from old age home. Mom, very serious. Please come to visit. Son went and saw mom very critical. On her dying bed, he asked, Mom, what can I do for you? Mom replied, please install fans in old age home. There are none. Also put a fridge for betterment of food because many times I slept without food. Son was surprised and asked Mom, while you are here, you never complained. Now you have few hours left and you are telling me all this. Why? Mom replied, it is okay dear. I have managed with the heat, hunger and pain. But when your children will send you here, I am afraid you will not be able to manage. Our parents deserve our honor and respect for giving us life itself. Beyond this, they almost always made countless sacrifices as they cared for and nurtured us through our infancy and childhood, provided us with the necessities of life, and nursed us through physical illness and the emotional stress of growing up. That is the unconditional love came from their heart towards their children. But the children are not aware of it. The children think that sending money and expensive gifts are more than enough for their parents. But the parents really need their children's love, care, which they are unable to demand due to fear or something. What makes the children to leave their parents in old age home? Everyone knows that it is bad thing, but still the number of old age home is increasing in our country. Taking care of children is the responsibility of parents and they do it very sincerely. But why the taking care of parents is lacking this sincerity? The obvious answer is no. It is not good to send the parents to old age home. The ideal condition is to continue to live with parents and take care of them till performing last rites. It is the parents' greatest dilemma as well as gamble. The children acquire escape velocity after getting better education. Their wings grow and they fly out of the nest. The choice rests with the parents to let the children be self-dependent by giving them proper education. Nobody lives forever. If one has to live, today is the time. If one has to live with his or her parents, today is the time. I think living in old age home is nothing wrong. Wrong is when you leave your parents there and live a comfortable life away from them. Money is the king. Obviously, it is important to meet basic needs as well as comforts. Everyone wishes for it. But I think earning a little less and living with our family is better than living at a different place and sending money to our parents as a responsibility. Both are important and one cannot replace the other. However, I do not deny from the practical circumstances of life that sometimes things are not in our hands and we do have to live away from our parents for education or career. But something we should be always trying is how to manage to live with our parents by finding a good job, new job in the hometown, or being able enough to take them where we live. When we will do this for our parents, we will realize that we are actually doing it for ourselves. Life is too short to waste it being lost and away from our parents. The fact is that neither of us may live forever, and we should try to live and spend our each and every possible moment with them only. So, no love is greater than mom's love, and no care is greater than dad's care, because the Lord Himself cannot live on earth. He created parents. Parents are the form of God on this planet which we live in. They care for us in the way the God does. If you want something, you pray to God for that, and that wish is fulfilled by your parents. Also, they are the reason you breathe, and that power of giving life is equivalent to that of God. As your mother and father are comparable to God, you should respect and honor them. Your parents are the only ones who will love you always. No one in this world will love you more than them. Your mother and father love you from the bottom of their heart. The love of your parents is the best thing in the world, and there is nothing above their love. They always bless you and pray for your better future and never worry about themselves. There are some truths in our life. Nobody is real in this world except mother. A poor person has no friends. People do not like good thoughts. They like good looks. People respect the money, not the person. The person you love most will hurt you most. Truth is simple, but the moment you try to explain it, it becomes difficult. When you are happy, you enjoy the music, but when you are sad, you understand the lyrics. In life, two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. Rightly said, the internet shows us how small the world is, but a missing plane shows how big our planet is. At last, be sure to spend time with your parents while you can, because one day when you look up from your busy life, they won't be there anymore. So never forget two people in this world: the person who lost everything just to make you win, your father; the person who was with you in every pain, your mother. Your existence is a gift by your parents. More than a gift, your existence is a favor done by your parents. This favor is something that you will never be able to pay back. The least you can do is that respect them. You should respect the fact that your mother and father are those people who gave you a life. Life is so beautiful and a great experience. You must thank your parents for this lovely life and give them a lot of respect. With this, I end my today's topic of discussion. If you enjoyed my video, feel free to share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. After all, sharing is caring. Thank you.